how to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. So if your Google Play Store keeps stopping, like if you try to open up your Google Play Store and if it keeps stopping, then first you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have an internet connection, then you won't be able to use your Play Store, or you won't be able to download any apps from your Play Store. So if you check your internet connection, if it's stable, then you can open up your settings. And once you open your settings, you can scroll down and you can go for apps. And under your application, now you can go for see all apps. And under that, here on the upper right, you will have search icon. Tap on the search icon and then search for Play Store. So here you will have your Google Play Store. Simply tap on Google Play Store and then go for storage and cache. And here you can go for clear cache. And once you clear your cache, you can go back and again go for the search bar and again search for Play Store. And here you will have Google Play Services. So simply tap on the Google Play Services. And here also you can again go for storage and cache and then go for clear cache. So if you do this, then your many problems will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and again go back. And here you can simply scroll down again, or you can go for the search icon, which will be on the upper right, and then search for date and time. And here go for the first, which is date or system date. And here you will have set time automatically, right? So you need to simply turn that off, and then you need to change your date. So you can simply change your date. And once you change your date, tap on OK. And after changing your date, now you can restart your device. You need to simply tap and hold on to that power button. And here you will have restart option. Simply tap on restart and restart your device. And once you restart, your problems might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix Google Play Store problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.